Hi there, Linda Artisani, Artisani Bookkeeping. So this week, actually today is my birthday, and normally I always do my blog post I create the blog and the video on a Saturday, and then I post it on a Sunday. But it's my birthday, and I've got a lot of things happening in my world in the next couple of weeks. I have Deeper Weekend coming up, and I'm going to be flying out of here on Wednesday to go to South Carolina. I'll be speaking at Deeper Weekend, and I will be handing out some swag for Intuit, speaking about niching my business, and I'm really excited about that. And then I fly back home for a few days, and I fly back out to Boston for Halloween, for hanging out with my grandsons on Halloween. I have a grandson and a daughter who think Halloween's like the most best holiday ever. And then from there, I head out to California, hang out in Ventura for a little bit, and then I'm going to be going out to QuickBooks Connect. So it's going to be a kind of a whirlwind couple of weeks. So I'm going to take a little break from the Fathom articles. We're going to start we did basic level stuff so far on the articles on Fathom, and I'm going to get deeper into them when I come back. So if you are coming to see the Fathom video, it's not here this week or the next couple of weeks. But while I'm away, I have some posts ready to go. So there'll still be blog posts. It just won't be on Fathom until I get back. That being said, so this is going to be brief because I said I wasn't going to spend a lot of time. I had two dear people who I adore and love that told me not to be working on my birthday and to go rest. So Sarah and Matthew, I heard you, and I will listen to you, and I'm going to take that time off. But I just want you to know that I love you dearly. All of my friends. I have Baravi, my friend Baravi, gave me these beautiful flowers for my birthday. Aren't they gorgeous? They're just so gorgeous. And they're not in my window because I want to really be able to appreciate them in the flowers behind my back. I just had so many people. I mean, I worked with Sarah a little bit this morning. We kind of went over a few things. We had, a lot of fun working together, and we have some ideas, and she might even help me on some of the stuff that we're working on with the Fathom stuff. And I just wanted to send a shout out to all of my friends that took the time this morning to reach out and to say thank you on my birthday, because it meant so much. And there's no way I could go through all the people that reached out, but I just really want to thank all of you. You know who you are, who is near and dear to my heart, who's my friends, and thank you. And I just wanted to share a little bit of the love that was sent to me this morning on my page. So let me just share my screen here. Of course, somebody would post a beautiful video for me.
Do me a favor, in the comments.
I need to figure out how to do the
please
confetti.
share a memory, a thought, a time
which was so sweet.
Connecting with you.
So Matthew, thank you so much. It touched my heart, this video, and I said I wouldn't cry, but it touched my heart. I can't even begin to tell you. And then when I go to my homepage, there's just so many people who reached out to say happy birthday. My daughter, she did, and my grandsons called me, and I got Megan here, and I can just keep going on. Jeannie, sorry, and Erin, and here comes the tears. So I just wanted to say thank you to all the people. I've got some new friends in Elevate Alliance. I'm also involved in that. It's a woman's kind of a group. We get together and we help elevate each other. So it's a fabulous group. It's a new group that I'm in. And I just got a lot of fun things happening in my world. But I just wanted to say thank you to those people who reached out and I got to speak with today, and people who reached out on Facebook. Thank you so much. Thank you. And I am going to honor what I said, and I'm going to take a break. So thank you. Bye.